I'm sorry.
Hey, man.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean that at all. I'm really sorry.
No, man, no. Esa mierda no se hace, weón. No, eso no se hace, parce.
I'm just a little sick. I'm sorry.
No. Where did you fucking proud, bro? No, man, no. You told me.
What happened?
Sí estás grabando, ¿no? Sí sabías, ¿no?
Yeah.
Man. I know.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Did I sneeze on you?
You sure did. That's what I said. Oh shit.
I'm so sorry.
You keep doing. You're not fucking sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm really
I
sorry.
just got over fucking COVID.
Oh, really? I'm so sorry. Like, I actually am. I did not mean that.
I don't know what your fucking problem is.
I didn't mean that. I just want to say I'm sorry. Oh, this is the last one, I promise. I'm not going to do it again. I'm really sick.
You said get the fuck up from around me.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm leaving. Can I leave now?
Stop, but you motherfucking bastard.
It's a joke. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Leave it to me. You're crazy.
Oh,
What are you doing for? I'm gonna call the police.
it's a video. It's water.
Swallow?
Yeah, look.
It's water.
It's water. I'm sorry.
Come on, man. What are you doing?
I'm so sorry.
What you do?
I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry. I did not mean that. Did I get you?
Of course, man.
Where? Let me see.
Come on.
I just want to see, like. Hey, man. Yo, it's a prank. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man. Did I get you? I'm sorry. Yeah, look, what about it, man? That's got you. You know what I'm saying? Go.
I said, go fold yourself. Why are you recording me, Coach? I said, why are you recording me?
I'm not recording anyone.
Why are you recording me?
I'm not recording anyone.
Why are you recording me?
I'm not recording anyone.
Why you record me? I see your phone.
I'm not. What?
Why you record me?
Please don't beat me up.
I'm asking you. Why you recording me?
Okay, are you gonna beat me up?
Why you recording me?
Are you gonna beat me up if I tell you?
Why you recording me?
Are you gonna beat me up if I tell you?
What the fuck are you recording me for?
Please don't beat me up.
Sir, this joke I recording everybody here, look. Please do. They're recording me.
I'm not.
They're
recording.
making joke and they're recording everybody right now.
I'm not recording anyone.
You got your phone. You got it for your life.
I got my phone on me, but I'm not recording anyone.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You wanna see?
Yes,
you wanna
are.
see?
Call your supervisor.
You wanna see or no? Can we just talk about it?
Quédate ahí.
Can we talk about it?
No,
Where you from?
don't bother.
We from the
Quédate
same
ahí.
country.
Stay there.
I'm sorry. Here? Am I good here? Please don't beat me up.
I'm sorry too. I just make a joke too. Okay.
I'm sorry. Did it hurt you? Did I hurt your feeling? I'm sorry, man. I did not
Don't
mean.
fucking make jokes. That's it, bro. Can you
sorry.
jump somebody word?
I'm sorry.
Go for yourself, okay?
I don't know how to do that. Can you teach me?
Go for yourself.
How I do that? How?
Oye, supervisor, please tell my joke.
How do I fuck myself?
I don't get it.
You don't get it?
No.
Oh, okay. I do get it.
Are you mad?
He just saw you hit me with something. I never touched you.
So why you throw water to me?
I throw water at
What
you.
water?
You did.
Nobody threw water at you, buddy.
You did throw water to me.
Okay, let's break it down. I tell you something, right? Can I tell you something? It's called gordo. You know what gordo means? Gordito. You know what it means?
I'll follow you. You follow me, I'll follow you, man.
Okay. Part two. Pull up.
I don't need you.
Pull up. No, come.
I'm calling the cops on you.
Come.
Yeah, can you send me cops off?
You got that. Did you hear the water you got there?
Yeah, Chico.
Puta. I'm sorry. I did not mean that. I'm so sorry. Did I get you? Okay. Did I get you?
No yoke. No yoke.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's not funny. It's not funny. Whatever the fuck you did, it's not funny.
I did not mean
Get the fuck
that.
away from me. Get the fuck away from me.
I'm sorry. I
You
didn't.
spray shit on me, and that's not cool
Okay.
either. Okay?
I sneezed.
Get the fuck away from me.
I apologize.
Get the fuck away from me.
Gustavo,
apologize.
relax.
I apologize. I'm sorry.
Gustavo, relax. Okay.
Whatever the fuck you're doing, get out.
It was water.
Get out.
It was water.
I don't
It's a
care.
prank. I'm
You think
sorry.
it's funny?
He's doing
It's not funny. I'm sorry.
Get the fuck out.
Okay, Gustavo, relax.
I- I'm so sorry. Wait. I'm sorry. I did not mean that at all.
Oh, okay.
Did I get you at all?
No, it's okay.
You got me?
No, it's okay. Fine.
I'm sorry, man.
All right.
Have a good one. I'm really sorry again. I was just trying to talk to her. I'm sorry, man. I did not. You're a doctor? No. I don't know. I think I might be sick or something.